I made this movie trailer, let's see. Imagine creating ultra-realistic 8K movies with AI in just minutes, fully automated AI-generated scripts, AI stunning visuals, AI voiceover, dubbing and lip sync with dialogues, instantly generate lifelike actors, complete with customizable looks, movements, and personalities. Integrated video songs, and AI background music. Real-time editing, add cinematic camera effects. Choose from multiple genres and themes, automatically translate scripts and dialogues into multiple languages. Produce complete, ready-to-publish cinematic short films in less than 2 minutes in a single AI. Introducing the world's first movie creation app fully AI-powered. Effortlessly transform your idea into ultra-realistic 8K cinematic movies. With done-for-you actors, scripts, dialogues, music, and more. No manual video shooting, scriptwriting, or face reveal needed. Experience these stunning AI-generated cinematic creations. Let's see some output clips before going in depth. Stay connected, I will show you everything in detail step by step. I will put the link in description. I recommend you to try this AI at least once in your life, with 30 days money-back guarantee. One-time payment, no recurring cost. Let's log into dashboard and start your AI movie journey. You will find all necessary options on left menu. Click on AI Movie Maker and then Scene Selection. Here is previously generated scenes. Let's make a new scene by adding prompt to this box, add art style and mode, then click Generate button will generate scene in seconds. Now download the generated image and go back to AI Movie Maker, then Cinematic section, and then upload the downloaded image, and then click on Generate button will generate full video clip. Here is the output clip. Is not it truly incredible? Now go back to AI Movie Maker, then Film Editing. Now give a project name, then select Video Effect. I am selecting Cinematic, and then select Transition Effects. And add all clips you generate and upload music effect. And finally, click on Generate Video button. Here's our short movie is ready. Let's see. Let's see another sample movie.
I think he's near.
Hello again, Lisa Ratano. I need the artifact. Tunoka, this. So you don't want to play nice? What if I let the Empire know about your illegal operation?
I think he's over here.
Vale. Jost Levza.
You can tell Vader about this one, not me.
How was that? You can also able to use all the feature like AI Movie Assistant to make your movie script. By just writing what you want. You will able to get instant support from AI Movie Assistant section if you need any help. Then you will able to upload your movies from AI Movie Platform section. Generate your movie name from AI Movie Name by just inputting description. And you will also able to make your movie slogan from AI Movie Slogan section. To write your full movie script, you will come to AI Movie Script section. Write your idea into description box, then select maximum length, choose creativity you want and select tone of voice you want, and generate your movie script in few seconds. Make your movie dialogue from AI Movie Dialogue section. Input your story description, select length, creativity, and tone, then generate. A movie music, sound, voice can be generated from next 3 options, and also you can make poster from AI Movie Poster section. Not only that, you can also generate tags for your movie from AI Movie Tags section. If this video helps, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.